What's up, YouTube? Have you ever been on a website and you had to copy data from a table and you're going crazy because you can only copy the rows and not the columns? Well, I have a solution for you. Stay tuned for the details. So hello, my name is Fichter. I've got a web company and been around forever, and every once in a while I need to copy information out of a table, but I only want a column of data. I don't want the row of data. So what this program will do is, it's an extension, it works for Chrome. It will turn the selection method into an Excel type selection method. Let me show you how it works. So you can, first off, if you go into your Chrome browser URL and type in CELLECT, Chrome extension, you'll see it here. First choice, I'll click it. All you have to do is click Add to Chrome. Mine's already green because I've already installed it. Here is an example of data. Here I can't, as you can see, I simply cannot grab a individual column. If I go into the three dots on the far right, click More Tools, Extensions, and here it is, install. All I have to do is hit this little slider here, and when I do that, you get this little C icon that pops up. As long as you see that, it is active. Now, in order for it to work, as you can see, it's still doing the way it's selected before. All you have to do is refresh or reload, and then it re-engages the extension, and now I can select the columns. Check that out, isn't that cool? And it works just like Excel. So I can copy two columns or one. So here, I'll copy these three threes. I'll hit my copy and I will paste, and there you have it. Isn't that great? It just makes it so much easier, and it gives you some flexibility for copying data. Here's two columns. Cut and dry. Super great. So that's what I just wanted, a little short video this week. Let's go to shout outs real quick. Okay, I want to say thank you very much to Manilo Borgia. Thank you, Manilo. And also to Maureen Barshalva. Thank you very much. And finally, do I have to say it? Deathcock. Thanks for signing up, brother. Anyway, we're going to close out with a song from Intermixture, and the album is what is it? It's a really good song. It's yes, Undefined. Thank you very much, guys. Have a great day. Take care.